Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Motion Ninja video editor app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Motion Ninja app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.